Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Weekend Diecast. Here we have today is a beautiful model by CM Model, and it is McLaren Senna GTR. And I've reviewed a CM model before. It was Porsche RWB, and I was actually not very impressed by that model. But this one right here, I can say that I am more than satisfied. And I think CM definitely got this casting figured out by giving it so many details and good stuff in there. And you know what? They know it because they're milking this casting by producing a lot of liveries, a lot of colorways of the same casting, black, white, you know, the blues and orange. So many good stuff. All of them they all look pretty good. And this one right here, what I got is a event model from the Malaysia MDX 2025 event. And let's open this up. So in the box, you can see there's like a card here for the background. And in the back, you can see this good informations, licensing and stuff. And in the back, the image of the car. So opening up this acrylic, you can see this beautiful livery. You know what? So this livery here was actually inspired by the national animal of Malaysia. Do you want to take a guess what the animal is this? And you are right, is this the tiger? So this one is obviously like a tiger stripe patterns here, and with the tiger colors as well, orange and black. So yeah, just a fun fact about this model here. And we can take this car off the base like all other cars with a base. There's a little bracket at the bottom to make the car stable, and on the base you can see that the whole thing looks like it is a carbon fiber color here. And this is the car model, McLaren Senna 2025 event model here. So let's look at the car itself. Right off the bat, I can see a lot of carbon fiber being used on the car. And from the front hood to the front lip, the splitters and the canards, and those this little area under the front lights, even under the front lights here, and also all the way to the side, and this little piece here and to the back. So many carbon fiber details here, so that is a good sign right off the bat. And front light is obviously made out of acrylic, separate piece here. Hardly can tell if they have like a bulb. Actually, might some paint details inside representing the bulbs. And look at how sharp their canards are. Look at how sharp these blades are. I think they're very impressive. Also, if you look closely, all the carbon fibers are like in different patterns too. Like this one is horizontal, this one's vertical, and look at what I found here. Look at this hollow design here. You don't see a lot of 64 scale cars have this much of hollow design. Very intricate casting here. McLaren sign at front, and can you see the little like a front grille under the hood here? And guess what? These are actually like an open work design here. They're all cut off with the little holes inside. And I think we will be able to see the details when I open this thing up. So on top you can see this like air outlets here. And I think it's very similar to those Porsche GTRs. They have very similar the hood air outlet, like all this aero modifications. This thing actually trying to guide the hot air out of the intercooler to the side instead of, so without this bar in the middle, you can see all the hot air is going to blow to the back. And guess what? Like this engine air intake is going to absorb all the hot airs, and we don't want to do that. We want to cool down the engine, right? So this middle piece right here will block the air in the middle and kind of guide the air to the side. So it's very, very, very good design here. And to the side, the tires are, so the front tires and rear sets are a little different. The front tires, you can see they use some low profile tires, and rear ones are a little thicker than that. But the wheels are the same. Multi-spoke with the little kind of gold paint in the middle. And since those spokes are kind of separate, kind of sparse, so you can see clearly there are like a braking system details inside the calipers, brake discs, very nice. And look at these air channels. Look at this guy. Is this hollow? Let me take a closer look. That guy's not, but kind of semi-hollow. The cut is pretty deep in there, so it's still very impressive. And this side, this air intake, I think this is what they're trying to advertise how good their casting is by pointing out this air intake here. Look at this like a honeycomb design here, this pattern right here. Usually you don't see that in those Mini GT, even pop race models. You don't see that amount of details in there. So that is very impressive. This like a cutoff door, a window cutoff here. Very impressive too. You can see through. See the red thing? That's the fire extinguisher on the other side of the door. And the side mirrors are, ooh, they're kind of hard. I think they're part of the metal body, I think. Yeah, they're kind of hard, but impressive. Carbon fiber patterns on the mirror. And if I'm not mistaken, they should have those silver paint or silver sticker on the mirror as well, so that's good. And gas cap here. Windows are very clear. You know what? Unfortunately, the windshield wiper, look at that. Look at how thick, how dull this thing are. I think if you can make those blade that sharp, those canard that sharp, why can't you make this windshield wiper a little bit sharper than that? Or take it to the next level, make it into separate pieces, right? Instead of just molding it in the window. I mean, they can definitely have the capacity to do that. Just come on, guys, do it better. And crazy aero modifications here, carbon fiber. This part's actually hollowed in, so it's very nice. And the number 31, it should be all painted. Yep, I don't see any like wrinkles, so it's all painted. And in the back, just tons of carbon fiber. Look at all these pieces right here. Look at all the hollow design here. This thing is just crazy. I think, man, this is just so impressive. I think they can even compete with like a 42 scale or 24 scale, that kind of model, 48. This amount of detail does not feel like it belongs to a 64 scale model here. So this is very insane. You can see the engine details under the little window cut off here. And I just like all this hollow design, this carbon fiber back, very nice. And exhaust tip right here in silver, again, looks very good, looks so good. Huge diffuser in the back, also carbon fiber. Can you see the pattern difference? Like on the left side, they're kind of tilting to the right, and left side is the other way, and they meet, those carbon fiber patterns meet in the middle. So look at this paint qualities, very good. GTR letters under the rear wing. McLaren sign in the middle. And look at this. A towing hook, right? In red here, this red piece is right here. This side is the same, number 31. Man, these guys look so good. Guess what? It rolls pretty well too. Most of the time, if the manufacturer able to produce, able to put those brakes details in there, then the cars are not able to run smoothly. But this one, see that? Not even have all the details here, but also run smoothly and has a very good weight on my hand. Good proportion too. Okay, well, let's open this up to see what's up in there. I remember the other one, RWB CM model, they have those replaceable wheels, and it looks like the same as this one. So, but I just cannot take this off. So it looks like these wheels can be replaced as well. But let's open this up to see. Some of the models that come with a extra sets of wheels, but this one is not the case. Okay, 2 screws in the back. Okay, and moment of truth. Here is the base, very high quality metal base here. I can feel the weight. You can see those carbon fiber paint here. Very nice. So these things are all metal. Yeah, the front lip is metal too. And those wheels are fixed, cannot be taken off. Let's set it right here. And here's the metal body. And what we want to see is this. Okay, look at this thing, like this open work here, right here. Look at the amount of details right here. You don't see this on majority of the brands. Including the premium brands, you don't see that very often. And yeah, look at the separate pieces. They're all separate pieces here. So nice. Okay. Ooh. This one might be glued. Oh. Okay, see, this one is actually glued on a metal body. Uh-oh. Alright, damage has been made. Alright, let's take this thing off. Okay. Beautiful metal body here. Whoa, look at that. Okay, fire extinguisher here, and this is this like a 6-point harness here, or 4-point? 1, 2, maybe just 3 points. But you can definitely see those like a racing car seatbelt details, and then the dashboard. The dashboard cover, like at the top of the dashboard, is carbon fiber as well. So that's very nice. And the seats are carbon fiber too. Oh, here is those engine details that we saw before. And then steering wheels, a little bit computer here. Very nice. So nice, guys. Do you like this thing? Gosh, who won't, right? Okay, I think I'm just gonna end the video like this, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. I enjoyed like this opening part, and if you like the similar contents, you can subscribe to my channel for sure, because I review a lot of, actually I only review 64 scale cars, but I do review all kinds of models, all kinds of brands, Mini GT, Pop Race, X-Car Toys, CM, and yeah, a lot of fun stuff. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.